Unlocking insurance sales success, empowering advisors to protect and serve the population. Welcome, insurance advisors. Today we're going to revolutionize the way you sell insurance. We'll focus on clear language, client benefits, relatable examples, and practical sales tips to help you succeed. Why insurance matters. Imagine a family losing their home due to a fire. The emotional toll is immense, but with insurance they can rebuild their lives. Insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind. As advisors and agents, you're not just selling policies, you're safeguarding lives. Understanding client needs. Put yourself in your client's shoes. What are their deepest concerns? Tailor your approach to address their unique needs. Ask open-ended questions to understand their goals, values, and fears. Selling with purpose. Highlight the value proposition of your insurance products. Explain how they solve real-life problems. Use visual aids to illustrate complex concepts. Show your clients that how insurance can protect their loved ones, businesses, and assets. Sales tips and techniques. 1. Build rapport and trust through active listening and empathy. 2. Ask open-ended questions to understand client needs. 3. Handle objections with empathy and creative solutions. 4. Close deals with confidence and clarity. Interactive role play. Let's practice handling common objections. Remember, it's about understanding client concerns and providing solutions. Work in pairs to role-play different scenarios. Additional resources and support. We offer 1. Ongoing training and mentorship to enhance your skills. 2. Marketing materials and sales tools to support your growth. Regular feedback and coaching to help you succeed. Your success is our priority. We believe in you. Stay positive, focused, and committed to your clients' needs. Together, let's unlock insurance sales success. Remember, selling insurance is about protecting and serving others. Keep it simple, relatable, and client-centric. You got this! Wish you good luck. Please subscribe and comment.